Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you a great story of Owl Bat Owl. Show it to your kids so they learn this great story. So let's start it. Once upon a time there was a lovely tree. A beehive was hanging on the tree and two woodpeckers were on the tree as well. A squirrel was on the tree as well, and 4 owls were sitting on a tree branch, and they were sleeping and having a nice dream, until some bats approached the tree branch. The 4 owls woke up, and Mother Owl's kids were interested to see the bats hanging upside down. Baby Owl was the most interested kid that had ever seen the bats hanging upside down. And when the owls and bats had all gone to sleep, Baby Bat and Baby Owl were still awake. When Mummy Owl woke up, she saw Baby Owl was upside down the tree branch. Mother Owl was feeling cross. She said, "Come on back on the branch." And Mummy Owl was still cross on Baby Owl. And then the owls and the bats fell back to sleep. And then some strong wind blew and Mother Owl and Mother Bat woke up. When the wind blew more faster and gustier, it blew off Mother Owl's kids and Mother Owl and Mother Bat's kids and Mother Bat. They all went tumbling off the branch, and they still couldn't fly up. They still had wings, but they couldn't because the wind was so strong. You can see they're trying to fly. And the tree branch was all alone, empty, and no one sitting on it. All of a sudden, Mother Owl and Mother Bat got back to the branch. Mother Owl and Mother Bat went off to get their children. Mother Owl got Baby Owl. Mother Bat got Baby Bat. Then they went off to get some more kids. Owl got another kid of hers. Mother Bat got another kid of hers. Mother Owl and Mother Bat went back to get their children and to save their lives. And you can even see the moon behind the branch. 2 of the kids of the owl and 2 of the bats waited. This time, Mother Bat got Baby Owl and Mother Owl got Baby Bat. The kids all laughed when they were on the branch. Baby Owl was deciding to go back down the branch. He took a step forward, and Baby Owl was hanging upside down on the branch again. And off fell tumbling Baby Owl and Baby Bat. The kids of the owl and the kids of the bat all held on to hands, and now they are the best friends ever. We get a lesson from the story that we have to help and support each other like Owl Bat and Bat Owl did in this storybook. And we We must respect each other and give other people space because we're different from them and they're different from us, alright? End of our great storybook. Tomorrow I'll come up with a new storybook. See you tomorrow. Bye bye for now.